outside the Prettyman Courthouse, the federal courthouse in Washington, D.C., here with William Goodman, one of the 5 defendants in USA versus Lauren Handy.
Hello.
How do you feel right now? It's been a full day, actually a shortened day, just 9 to 3 o'clock today in court. So how are you feeling, just energy-wise?
You know what? I'm feeling hopeful. We saw today 2 sets of videos from rescues, and I think there was a lot of really important information in that. We saw Jonathan talking about the constitutionality of personhood. We saw Heather in one of the videos too, speaking of the importance to defend life by interposing. And Father Fidelis spoke too, that, you know, as rescuers, we want to leave these places, but only after the people who are killing our brothers and sisters are leaving. So between Lauren and Father Fidelis, Heather, and John, there was, I think, really a great witness in the courtroom today. So
yeah, I was really happy to be hearing, like I was writing down my notes and got some quotables specifically from Father Fidelis that, you know, the officers were saying, you know, we want this place, we want this area to be a safe space. That's why we want you out, essentially. And Fidelis is saying, well, by us being here, it is a safe space. So
right, and also to the officers, he's like, well, we're here.
It's serious.
We're here to, you know, make sure everybody's rights are respected. And Father pointed out, well, not everybody's rights are being protected, and that's why we're here. We're here to be advocates for the children. And I also liked what Jonathan and Lauren both said to the police officers. The officers try to set up a dichotomy. There are only 2 options here. One, you leave. The second, you get arrested. Well, there is a third option. The third option is that these officers really observe their oath to serve and to protect and to remember the preborn children. And so Jonathan was very specific. You need to arrest the people killing the children. That's just the truth of the matter, and that they can resist this injustice too. So members of the government don't have to follow unjust laws. They don't have to participate in the Holocaust. They don't have to participate in the destruction of innocent life. They can, in fact, act virtuously and justly. So we really saw that in the courtroom today, and it was great. It was great to see those witnesses.
And tell us a little bit about, if you can, tell us a little bit about what the defense team intends to put forward as evidence in court tomorrow.
Yeah, so our hope right now is to have a live action undercover video that was taken back in the end of 2012. This was the abortionist where we did the rescue, Cesar San Angelo, saying that he would not provide full care to children born alive at his killing center. He also said that there are cases in which women are coming in and they're going into labor. And in our case, there has been testimony that a woman was coming in and she was in labor pains, in labor. And we also know that by various court documents and malpractice suits, that women have died at this abortion center. And so one of my efforts on the day was to speak to one of the fathers and explain that, you know, your wife is in real danger because women have died at this place and that babies who are born alive won't be given care. And so right now the judge is evaluating whether or not this live action video can come in, a video that really motivated all of us defendants in our desire to do the rescue, the peaceful rescue at this place. So it's going to be a very pivotal decision that'll be made forthcoming before tomorrow morning.